Is this a joke or something?
No, it's not a joke, my darling. Listen. I know I'm not the best man in the world. I know that I'm not the best man in this city. But you're the best thing that has ever happened to me. Look, I don't want to sound selfish. But seriously, I don't want to ever wake up at the age of 80 without you by my side. I love you with every vein in my heart. And please, I'm begging you today, let me spend forever with you. Stella Madi, would you be so kind to me and accept this ring and marry me?
Congratulations!
Let's get it!
Bloody right away!
Let's get it! I love you. I love you forever. I love you.
Somebody's actually out.
There's a wedding to plan, man, boy. There's a wedding, fucking wedding to plan. Let's get it! Let's get it!
Congratulations, bro! We made it!
This is so beautiful.
Wait until you see the wedding.
Take me out of the market.
Easy, take it easy. One step at a time, okay? Easy. Yeah. You're welcome home. officially your matrimonial home.
Thank you, baby.
I love you. Don't cry, come on. You know what I want to do now?
No.
I just want to rip this clothes off and rip you apart.
Thanks, baby.
Come. Let's go. This way.
I have a home.
You have a home now, baby. Take it easy. One step at a time. One step at a time. Wow. Let's go. It's okay. Okay. I got you. Oh, yeah. Is it good? You good?
Yeah. I have to help myself right now.
All right.
Ouch.
Hey. Are you good?
Yes, I'm fine now. Baby. Oh, you were there?
Yes. I'm just gonna help you drag this up. Come on.
Thanks, honey.
Halle, halle, halle. Money, money, money.
No, it's not money.
It's what?
Love.
No. Of course, this is love. Why you do that, baby? Come on. Come on.
Baby.
Come on. Oh, gosh. Let's go. Keep going.
Who's there? Is in there? Is in there? Please go and check who's at the door. And who's even knocking like that?
It's good afternoon. Good afternoon. You're here. Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you. Where is the latest friend? My friend.
My girl, my girl.
Look at you. Oh God, you look so beautiful.
Thank you.
You are really glowing.
Thanks, baby. Sit down.
Thank you.
Yeah. How are you?
So this glow. Oh,
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm okay. I don't even need to ask how you are because I can see it. The glow, everything.
Thank you. Esine, please get us 2 glasses of juice.
All right, sister. I'll be right back.
Thank you. My girl.
Babes. But this your honeymoon always time. I thought it was supposed to be 2 weeks.
Oh yes, you're right. My husband got an emergency call at the firm where he works, and it requires his physical attention, so we had to come back.
Okay. Babe,
Yeah.
this ring.
It's given.
This is diamond.
Yes, baby.
It's magnificent.
Thank you. Thanks, darling. What more can I ask for? This is one of the things I've always prayed for. For a man who is going to take care of my sister and I, love me unconditionally, provides almost everything for me. And God did not just answer the prayers, but He blessed me with a sweetheart, a cute and loving husband who adores me so much.
Yeah.
I thank God, seriously.
God, when, oh,
Very
when. You're lucky, my friend.
I am not lucky, I am blessed.
You are blessed.
Yes.
Yes, you are.
Wow.
One and only Mrs. Odo.
Ah,
See my girl. See my girl. It's not
I
a
don't marry you. I swear, like, who would believe that I will get married so soon?
But then you need just get married. Go married to a very wealthy man.
I got married to...
Enjoy.
Okay.
See what I mean now? This chill.
Chill juice, right?
This one.
I know.
I see I'm even sweating.
Sorry.
Sugar is not good for your health.
Look at this mug here.
Doctor.
So, enjoy yourself.
Okay.
Thank you. You're welcome. But babe, I am hungry. See, this juice is good, boy. I came hungry because I know my friend will have anything I want to eat.
You already know.
So-
I have everything in this house.
Of course, that's why I came.
Let's head to the kitchen so
You're
we make
ready?
a choice.
Because I know you prepare anything for me.
Wow. It's been fun all throughout, seriously. Okay, so what are we having?
Remember that noodles when you be prepare for school?
Okay.
Now it's I want chop. I don't miss that noodles.
Really?
Yeah.
That's what you want to have?
You know how you prepare it now?
Yeah, you should know me. If you know my cooking, I never change, like... Okay. When it comes to my cooking, I can never change. Alright, so I got you. So, I know. So, how many noodles will you consume?
Yeah, too.
Okay. My lighter, where is this girl?
Bro, I tried reaching you on the phone. I mean, I kept on calling, and you were not picking up. What's going on? What's wrong?
Steve, everything is wrong.
What do you mean everything is wrong? Is Stella okay? What could be the matter? What's wrong?
Do you remember the computer contract supply I told you about? The one we celebrated before the wedding?
The one with the primary and secondary schools in the States?
Yeah, that's one.
So what about it?
You know I spent a lot during the wedding, right? Well, after I made payments for the supplies, I did not have enough money for the shipment. So the Chinese supplier that I paid suggested that we smuggle it with some contraband into the country.
What? Suggested that you do what?
Yeah, that's what it is.
So what happened?
Well, my goods have been seized by the customs.
Well, your goods were in contraband?
Yes, they're not contrabands, and that's why they're asking me to bring 12 million naira before they release the goods to me.
12 million naira.
Yes.
That's a lot of money, bro.
That's a whole lot of money, Steve.
And you don't seem to have it right now. I mean, not after spending lavishly on that wedding.
You know the story, my brother.
But I warned you. Did I not warn you? I warned you about spending lavishly on just on a common wedding. I mean, a wedding that was just for one day. You had to spend that lavishly. You see the result.
My brother, it is not my fault. Stella insisted that she wanted a flamboyant wedding. And I just wanted to impress her. I wanted to give her everything that she wanted.
Oh, you were actually doing that wedding to impress her. You got to impress woman. Beautiful, beautiful. No, that's very good. I hope she helps you out now. I mean, now see the situation. Call her to come and help you out. You wanted to impress her. Mr. Impressor.
Babe,
Yeah, honey.
Mama will be coming in tomorrow.
Why?
Well, she's been complaining of sleeplessness and tiredness.
Since when has she been complaining?
Well, a couple of weeks before the wedding.
And I am just getting to know about this.
Babe, look. I did not want to bother you. You were very busy with the wedding preparations.
Baby, even at that. She's my mother too. It's fine. So, has she been to the hospital yet?
Well, she went to the hospital in the village, but she was referred to a specialist hospital in the city here.
Okay, that's better. It's fine. Babe, you said tomorrow?
Yeah.
Tomorrow is Sunday and it's Mandy's child's naming ceremony.
Oh, yeah.
And we're supposed to be there.
Well, it doesn't stop anything. We would go for it when Mama comes. Isn't it we'll attend to her before we come back?
Okay, that's good.
That's fine.
I thank you, baby.
That's okay.
Don't worry, Mama is going to be fine, okay?
Amen.
Yes, amen. You're still worried?
No. It's okay. Come. Let's leave.
I love you, baby.
You too.
You didn't kiss me goodnight.
Oh. So petty. My love. Oh my goodness.
Mama, you're welcome. How was your journey?
Very rough. Our roads are so bad. Boom, 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 boom. But thank God I'm here.
Yes, ma.
Did I miss Joseph and Stella?
Mama, they just left now.
Okay, no problem. I'll go in now and freshen up.
Okay, ma.
And rest.
You need it.
Yes,
ma.
Have you cooked? Don't worry, I will come and cook.
Okay, ma. You're welcome, Mama.
Thank you.
Mama, you're looking so beautiful.
Thank you, my daughter. What have you done?
Still trying to
Have you washed the vegetables?
Not yet.
You need to wash them.
Okay.
Wash your vegetables before you do any other thing, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Wash them clean, okay?
Okay.
Where are you going?
To my room, Mama.
Why? Aren't you eating here?
Mommy, Ezinne never eats on this table. She likes eating in her room.
Why?
Nothing, Mama.
Sit down there. We are all going to sit on this table and eat as a family. Stella, when are we going to do our own naming ceremony?
Very soon, Mama.
Oh, okay.
Very soon.
I have some friends in this city that I would like to invite to.
Okay. Just tell them that they should be patient, huh? Very soon they'll come.
Okay. Okay.
Mama, I'll see you later, okay?
Are you not coming inside?
No, there's something I need to take care of at the office.
Don't let it bother you.
Where is he going?
He said he has something to do at the office.
He couldn't see me at least.
He said it's urgent.
Mama, is everything all right?
It's nothing we cannot handle.
You're here. It's even fresh here. What's up now? Where is this girl? What's that her name again? Who's there? Please bring my usual. What's up now? You sounded so worried on the phone. Are things getting bad with your goods?
I wish that was the case.
You're welcome, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, if that isn't the case, then what is?
It's Mama.
Mama. How is she? You know, this murder case that I've been investigating of late, it's actually eating much of my time. I've not actually had time to come check on her. How's she doing? How about her?
We just got back from the hospital.
Okay.
Mama has been diagnosed of kidney failure.
What? Kidney failure?
One of her kidneys is failing.
My goodness.
Mama needs a transplant in the next 6 months. If that is not done, I'm going to lose her.
Oh, come on. It hasn't gotten to that. It hasn't.
But it has. I have to do it. And the doctor is saying that I have to do it immediately. That if I don't do it, I will lose Mama. I need 2.6 million naira for the surgery. And you know I don't have that kind of money right now. Especially now that things are not going well with me.
I'm very sure the money will come. But first, let's think about how to get a donor.
Well, according to the doctor, that's not a problem. I just need an excess of 5 million naira to buy the kidney from the donor. I honestly don't know what I'm supposed to do right now. especially now that things are not well with me.
I'm going to be discussing this with my wife.
Why? Why are you telling her?
So see if I can donate to one of mine.
No, come on. Steve, I cannot make you do that. You know the donor is often at risk more than the recipient.
I know. But I mean, it's Mama we're talking about here.
No, I cannot let you do this. I cannot let you take that kind of risk. Don't worry, we'll look for a way. I'll find a way. I'll find a way. Please, don't do this. Don't worry about it, okay?
Welcome, son.
Good evening.
Welcome.
Thank you very much. Where's Stella?
She went to the mall.
Oh, okay. Did you tell her?
No, I did not. I think you should be the one to tell her. Son, come and sit. Son, I know how you feel. I know you have so much on your head. Somehow, we'll get over it. We can actually get a donor. After all, the doctor said we can buy.
And that's where we have a problem. That's where we have a major problem, Mama. I do not have anything close to that amount in my bank account. Customs seized my goods, and they are insisting that I must pay them 12 million naira before they release the goods to me.
12 what?
12 million naira.
How much is the worth of the goods then?
Well, the computers are worth over 120 million naira. So they are demanding that I give them 10%. And Mama, you know how much I spent during the wedding?
Yes, I know. My friends are still talking about it. Oh dear, what are we going to do now?
I wish I knew, Mama. I just wish I knew what to do right now.
Does Stella know about this? Is she aware?
No, Mama, I don't want her to know about this. You know how emotional she can get. Very soon she will start blaming herself for insisting on a flamboyant wedding. And I don't want it to get to that point.
I understand. Son, there is nothing God cannot do. Before you know it, He will take control. Just keep praying. I will be praying for you too. Okay?
How are you?
I'm fine. You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Is there something to eat?
Yes, but not my baby.
Alright, please do so immediately. Mama, I'll wait upstairs. Once I freshen up, I'll come down to it, okay?
Okay. Before you get down, the food will be ready. Mama?
Please do a miracle for my son.
Hi, baby.
Hey, sugar.
Yeah.
See you back.
Yeah, baby. Ezeonu told me you took a walk.
Oh yeah, I did. I just needed to catch some air.
What's wrong? Don't give me that look, baby. I still remember that the last time you took a walk was when I was diagnosed of fibroid. So what is it this time?
Nothing. It's Mama.
She's asking for grandchildren.
No.
What is it then?
Mama has been diagnosed of kidney failure.
What? Why didn't you tell me? How come I didn't even think? Like, these are simple symptoms. The sleepless night, the fatigue, the restlessness. Oh baby, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. It's not your fault, okay? Well, the doctor said that she's going to need a transplant in the next 6 months. And I offered to donate, but I'm not a match.
I can't even donate because of the complications I had during my fibroid surgery.
Babe, listen to me. I would not have let you donate your kidney for my mother.
Come on, babe. She's mom too. She's my mother. I wish I can.
It's okay.
But we can get a donor, right?
Well, yes, the doctor said that the kidney is going to cost 5 million naira. And it's also going to cost 2.6 million naira for the surgery.
Thank God at least we can get a donor. That's fair enough. Like, the money is not something you can't handle, yeah?
Yes.
I know. I trust you, so he should be fast about it.
Yeah, he told me he would let me know once he finds a donor.
6 months is not 6 years. So he had better do fast. Babe. No. Don't give up. Mama is going to be fine. Okay? No, baby. No. Don't put your face down. I don't want you to give up. We're on this together. I got you always. You're my husband. Okay?
Commissioner, please, all I'm asking for is just a couple of weeks. The computers are already in the country. I just need some time to bring it out of the customs. Yes, sir. Sir, I was thinking I can get an upfront, even if it's just 20% of the money that was agreed upon. Yes, I know we agreed on 100% payment after delivery, but I am just going through some financial issues right now and I need to handle them. No, it's okay. It's okay, I understand. I understand. It's okay. When I supply the goods, I'll get my money. No, you don't have to do that.
Honestly, I'm beginning to get tired of all these Ashebi things. Everybody just demands for exorbitant prices without even caring if their friend can afford it or not.
Martha, how much is exorbitant?
Babe, 200,000 naira is a lot of money.
Just haba now.
See, I don't blame you. You have a very wealthy husband who can afford anything. Me, I have nobody. Even that useless boyfriend I have takes from me rather than give.
It's fine. Don't go too far. Huh? I am going to talk to my husband and make him pay for mine and yours.
Are you serious?
Of course, I am serious.
Oh.
I am very serious. You know, I never joked about something like this.
I trust you. Thank you so much, babe.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I'm very grateful.
I know.
But babe, this is your ring shine. Eh? See the way it's shining. I can't stop talking about this ring.
I know. Now, that's the reason my husband bought it. So it will be shiny, it will be glittering. You people will be poking your eyes on it.
Abi,
Yes,
see you. That pride will kill you. Please, allow the singles like us to breathe.
To breathe.
As in, don't come and suffocate
No,
us,
we I can't choke you. Don't worry. I believe very soon you're going to get married to a wealthy man.
Amen.
You deserve the best too. We deserve the best.
As in,
we
you
have
know
suffered.
now. The suffer don't be here. But you're just enjoying and glowing.
I thank God for my husband.
Babe, let me get going.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have something doing at home. So take care of yourself, alright?
It's fine. See you some other time.
Bye.
Married to invade.
Mommy, we are not invading, no. It's just one of our university mates who is getting married very soon, and she added us in her WhatsApp group, and we couldn't decline because it's been long we saw her and communicated. So we see it as a reunion for us.
Ah, that's good.
Yes, ma'am. And mommy, Joseph told me about your diagnosis. Don't worry, mommy. Everything is going to be fine in no time.
How is your husband?
Your son, you mean? Mommy, he is fine. He's doing good. It's just that he's a little bit worried about your health condition. But I assured him that everything is going to be fine.
Is that the only thing bothering him? My health?
Yes. Mommy, why did you ask?
I feel there's something else that is worrying him. Something that he does not want to share with anyone. He's just keeping it to himself.
No, Mommy. I don't think so. My husband isn't like that. We share everything together. He tells me everything. Mommy, he tells me the good, the bad, and the ugly. So, I don't think.
I see. But still talk to him. You can't tell with men.
All right, mommy. If that is going to make you feel better, I will talk with my husband.
Thank you, my dear.
Thank you, mommy. All right, let me go and see what Izine is doing in the kitchen. I'm coming. What have you been doing? You've been chopping tomatoes since. And this girl, you want hunger to kill my mother-in-law? Tomorrow for you. Tomorrow you say that I've killed my husband's mother. Since. Yeah? You've been on these particular tomatoes. I am getting fat because I don't know the reason my wedding ring could be this tight on me so soon. Please, Okay. Chief. No, wait. Where are you going?
You asked me to leave.
Come and stand here. I didn't say you should leave the kitchen. Watch me do it fast. Wash eggs for me.
Should I wash all of them?
Wash all. Chopping of tomatoes, you will stay. Even your walks, walking, raising your legs. It takes me 5 seconds to finish this thing. Yeah?
Sister,
Huh?
there you go.
Thank you.
You like it, right?
This is fresh and sweet. Thank you.
You're welcome. Sister, how fun now?
I did.
Sister, I'll be going back to school on Monday.
Wait, though. The holidays are over yet already. Okay. So how much is your school fees again? Okay, how much did we pay last semester?
So my school fees is 150,000 naira. And my rent has expired too.
Okay. All right, that won't be a problem. I will talk to my husband when he comes back.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Let me go and finish up. Enjoy yourself, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Rent money. So,
Don't worry. You already gave me the money.
what?
Yes, you did.
But he usually does that through me.
Well, maybe he did not want to disturb you this time.
Sister, take care of yourself, okay? Mama?
Don't forget what I told you.
Yes, Mama. Mama, take care of yourself. Very important.
I know.
Sister.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
May God be with you. Huh?
Thank you, Mama. When Amujo comes back, send my regards.
Okay.
Mommy, why would my husband give her money directly?
Stella, don't bother yourself. You bother so much. It's fine.